Okay, so reach the stationery and book fair. I got off at Pragati Maidan metro station, which is on the blue line and very easily accessible. So you can get off from the any gate number. It doesn't really matter. There were really quirky and really cool T-shirts, which was I guess one for 500 and so on. And there were badges, mugs, and they were really called school stuff. There are a lot of options to choose from, and there are many stalls, and there are very rare and unique pens like injection pens, hair clips pens, and feather pens, and bagpiper pens, and what not. And even I can't take all the names. There was a little crowd today as it was a weekday, but still it was crowded. But never mind, I really had a lot of fun. And this person was drawing live painting right there. There were bags and pencil pouches, even slippers and massagers, and even electronics like speakers, headphones, and whatnot. There were these beautiful diffusers, which was really making it so refreshing and good smell over there. And there were tons and tons of novels, although what I was looking for I could not find. But I am not a really hoarder for novels, but I really love stationery, so I bought a stationery. But if you are a novel lover, you can find it whatever you want, although the books which were in my head I was not able to find. And in the end, if you're tired, there are food stalls to enjoy delicious foods. So yeah.
Hi guys, please bear with my look. I just came back from the book fair which I showed you in the previous clips, and I just took a bath and I'm here to give you a quick haul of the things I bought. So I'm not gonna get ready and do makeup or whatever. So diving into the things I bought, the first thing I bought is this Marvel poster, and all the Marvel characters are babies in this. Like you can see Hulk or Spider-Man or Iron Man, and everyone else, Captain America, etc. Everyone you can imagine from Marvel is on this poster, and it's a simple stick-on poster. Let me take it out and show you the quality. It has a glossy finish, not too matte, not too glossy, just in between, and this was for 50 rupees. So what can you expect? The size is so good, and it's just stick on. And what else can you talk about the poster? There were more varieties of the poster, like Friends posters and PUBG posters, Game of Thrones posters, and quotes poster, etc. all for 50 rupees only. And next is this beautiful yellow diary. I'm just amazed because this is so thick, and this was just for 100 bucks, and it is so pretty. It's lined from the inside. It has off-white pages and has this, I don't know what thing is called, this elastic thing to keep it intact. And this was for 100 rupees, and there were so many shades in it, like purple, pink, turquoise, blue, and black, what not. So I think I'm gonna go again to this fair before it ends and buy more of these, because you can never find this thick diaries and this good quality diaries and amazing pages diaries for rupees 100, which is according to me a steal. Also, this is A5 size, so you can get that. And it was very easy to find it when you entered. I think the first stall you see in the center is this. You see diaries on one side, and there's in the center there are novels, which you get 100 में 3, which is another steal. I tried to get novels, but मुझे ऐसे कोई novels पसंद नहीं आए जो मेरे दिमाग में थी, मुझे वो नहीं मिली. Also बहुत novels थी, but I am not very experienced reader, or I don't read a lot of books. I have just recently started getting some books and started reading. So I'm just started with Mark Manson, The Subtle Art. So I'm just on that, but I tried to get some interesting books or my course books, but I didn't get any. So without any further rambling about boring things, let's get back to the haul. And I am obsessed with this notebook. It has this skull with pirate cap and cigar with the mouth, and there's a compass, and it says resurrection. We hope peace is not just a short time. And I'm really a fan of stationery. I'm a huge stationery addict. I love quirky stuff. I want unique stuff. I collect diaries. I have lots of diaries. So when I find unique stuff, I never give it up. And for such a great price, this notebook for rupees 120, they don't bargain. I mean, I tried, but they didn't bargain at all. But it was for 120 rupees. It's a notebook for 120 rupees. You don't easily get a notebook this crazy, quirky, unique notebook for 120 bucks. So I got it without any second thoughts. And it has these off-white kind of pages, lined pages, and it's quite thick. It's not thin, and it's by a brand known as Langu. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's written over here. And at the back it's written something in Japanese or something or whatever, I don't know, but the brand name, let me show you again. This is how it's pronounced or spelled. The page numbers are not written, but it's quite thick, so you get my point. Next I got is another quirky notebook, which I don't know, reminds me of Fendi. I have a bag with such eyes, and that reminded me of Fendi, because you know Fendi has these backpacks and some things which have these kind of evil eyes, I would call. And this is a very pretty, you know, sea green kind of color. And let me show you. It's open like this, like the teeth are inside the first page, and this is the window. Cool, right? And it says cute star, designed by the same brand again, Languo, which was this one. And this, it's a pretty thin notebook, but not thin. It's lined again, and this was for 60 rupees. So a very quirky notebook and a pretty notebook for 60 rupees. Moving on, I got I don't know what it's not a novel, it's a book which I got from my cousin brother. I hope he likes it, fingers crossed. And it's a book related to designs. He's doing masters in design, and so I hope you find it interesting. And if he doesn't find it interesting, I think I'm gonna use it as a decor piece for myself, or maybe, I don't know, I have no idea. I will see if he likes it, and I will show you. If he does, then I will show you on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is thatflexygirl, so follow me there to see his reaction when I give this to him, which will be, I don't know, maybe soon. So follow me there. Okay, let me show you the book. This is the book. It's really heavy, it's really thick, and it's sealed, so I cannot show you from the inside. I wish I could, but I'm gonna gift him this like this only, and maybe when he opens it, I will give you a glimpse. But there were basically designs in this book, because I went through an open, another, the same book was lying there open, but maybe it was a little bit, I don't know. I'd like to get things which are sealed and new, because I want to gift this. But yeah, there were a lot of designs of, I don't know what not, I just don't even remember, because I saw so many things. There are so many things in my head right now. I went through so many books, so many novels, so many stationery. It was so crowded, it was just way too much. Okay, also I would like to tell you that this fair is gonna end on 15th of September, so you have to go before that. It's 12th today, and I will upload this video on 13th, which is tomorrow. And please visit this book fair. I think you're gonna love it. If you're a book lover, please do go visit. There are affordable novels. 100 में 3 भी मिलेंगी, 50 की 1 भी मिलेगी, बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. And if you are a stationery freak like me, तो नोटबुक्स ज़रूर लेके आना. वहाँ पे बहुत सुंदर नोटबुक्स हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर डायरीज है, कोर्की है, एक्सपेंसिव भी मिलेगी, सस्ता भी मिलेगा. यू हैव टू कीप योर आई ओपन, यू हैव टू बी अवेयर, यू हैव टू सी, और ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक द क्वालिटी. सम ऑफ देम माइट बी डैमेज्ड, नॉट ऑल, बट सम ऑफ यू माइट बी डैमेज्ड. So moving on, I have been looking for these little clips online for a long time, because I just recently got some Polaroid print out, and I want to, there's an Pinterest or aesthetic trend kind of going around, like decor going on. Like you tie a rope on the wall, and then you stick your Polaroids with the clips on them. So I was really trying to find these online, but I was not able to. And if I was trying to get these on Amazon, they were giving me Polaroid frames, but my Polaroids are bigger than those frames. So I want to just get the rope and the clips. So I found these little clips, and this packet was for rupees 45, and it's with 10 clips. Let me open this. I haven't even seen the quality yet, so I'm just opening it in front of you. I hope the qualities are good. The colors are very vibrant and cute. Okay, okay, these are quite good. I like these. इसमें 10 है एंड ये वाला तो मैंने जब पहले मैंने ये एक पैकेट खरीद लिया 40 में, उसके बाद मैं नेक्स्ट स्टॉल पे गई तो मुझे ये वाला दिखा। ऑल्दो मैंने एक बार सारे स्टॉल्स देख लिए थे, बट अगेन व्हेन आई फाउंड दिस लाइंग इन अ कॉर्नर आई जस्ट बॉट देम इंस्टेंटली, बिकॉज मैंने एक स्टॉल में पहले पूछा तो दे वर गिविंग मी आई गेस 10 clips for 200 rupees, like these small 10 clips for 200 rupees, and if I was going to buy 3 packets they were giving me it for 500, but मुझे इतनी चाहिए नहीं थी और मुझे एक्सपेंसिव लग रही थी, तो मुझे ये 40 रुपीज़ में मिले थे तो तब मैंने ले लिए। फिर मैं नेक्स्ट स्टॉप पे गई तो मुझे दोबारा ये दिखे एंड इसमें 20 क्लिप्स हैं एंड इसमें वो पतली वाली जूट रोप भी है, एंड लेट मी शो यू, एंड दिस पैकेट वॉज फॉर 60 रुपीज़ एंड मैंने ये 10 ले ली थी 40 में, तो मैंने ये वाला भी ले लिया। फिर मैंने कहा लाइक नेवर माइंड, हो जाता है कभी कभी। ओके, सो लेट्स टेक आउट। Okay, so these are the colorful clips. I really love the color. They're so, you know, cute and vibrant. Little clips are just so adorable. And इन्होंने रोप I guess बहुत छोटी दी है, तो मैं इसे निकाल के देखती हूँ ये कितनी लंबी है। Okay, it's just this long. As far as my hand goes, it's just this long. I guess it's the length of I guess 2 meter. Yeah, it's 2 meter. So a decent length, I would say. मेरी सारी pods obviously नहीं आएंगी because I have 12 poroids, so maybe I don't know, I will be creative or I will get more ropes or whatever. So these are all the things I got. Go visit the the book fair. I will link the address in the description box down below, and it was near the Pragati Maidan metro station. It is on the blue line. You can easily get there by the metro. You can walk from there or you can take an auto. It's your choice. It's not very far away. You just have to get down from the metro and it's very near. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you next time with another exciting video. Till then, bye bye.